she's on this side. Where we at today? 4, a little bit up. She gets a allergic reaction. Reason why is when we're increasing circulation to the muscles, what ends up happening is the body releases a histamine response. It goes away in about 5-10 minutes, but she'll just be like a little bit itchy. She'll scratch some areas. Some pre-workouts have like 300 to 350. When she is itchy, I'll just kind of go along